Hi Primary One! It's time to practice our numerals. All we need for today is our numeral cards or pieces of paper with the numbers written out on them, some friends, which I'm sure we've got lots of about, and if you can, something that you can throw that's quite soft. So my favourite choice is a pair of socks. Okay, let's go and see what we're going to get up to today. For our first game, you just need one friend, and it can be a person in your home as well. It's up to you. I'm playing with Owly today, and you need a pile of cut up numbers. So I've got our numeral cards from the pack. They're all jumbled up and they're in a random order. And I've got all the numbers to 30 in my pile, but you can play with a selection of numbers that you choose. And we are going to have to decide for our game whether we're playing bigger or smaller. What you do is you take it in turns to pick out a number, and then you see who has the biggest number or the smallest number. We're going to play biggest today, so Owly and I will take it in turns to pick out a card, and whoever's got the biggest wins, and they keep the card. So Owly chooses a card, number 3 for him, and I choose a card, number 7 for me. Who's got the biggest? Yep, it's me, so I get to keep my card, and Owly's goes back on the bottom of a pile. Okay, my turn because I won that time. 6 for me. Let's have a look. What's Owly gonna get? A 4. Who's got the highest number? Which one is the biggest? Yep, it's Mr. Drip, so she gets to keep that one too. Another point. Owly's goes back on the bottom, and then we play again. So because I won that last one, I get to go A. Ooh, that's quite a big number. Can you read it? Yeah, 22. Let's see what Owly gets. Oh, poor Owly, he was so close. Who's got the biggest number? Yep, it's me again. Okay, we'll do one more. So it's my turn first again because again I got the highest number. Oh, one of our team numbers. What have I got this time? Okay, and let's see what Owly gets. Can you read it? Yep, 16 for Mrs. Drips and 18 for Owly. So who's got that biggest number this time? Yeah, it's Owly. Well done, Owly. You keep your points. Owly and I are going to keep playing, and you can have a turn playing this at home. If you're playing lower, then it's the same game, but whoever's got the smallest number wins and keeps the point. You can change it every round if you like, as long as you agree before you pick up the cards, and see who gets the biggest pile at the end, and they'll be the winner. For our other game today, we're going to take our friends and stand them up somewhere that they can balance. This game is a little bit like the bowling game we played last week for our tricky words. And this time, instead of just comparing 2 numbers, we're going to be comparing about 5 numbers. So I have chosen 5 friends and stood them up on my sofa, and I have got my numeral cards ready. I'm now going to give each of my friends a number to hold up. Now all my friends have got a number and we are ready to play. So this game is based on the game that is linked on the grid called Coconut Ordering, where we have to knock the numbers out in order. This sort of skill is helpful when we're ordering a group of numbers and we don't have every number. For example, if we wanted to order people by what age they were, we're not going to have somebody that's every single age, but we can work out who has got the youngest age and who's the next youngest, all the way up till the oldest. For this game, I am going to start by looking at which number is the smallest. See if you can spot it here. Okay, and then what we have to do is get our socks or whatever you've chosen that's soft and throwable, and throw it and aim for that number, trying to knock it down. When you've knocked down your number, you can then just pop your friend to the side and put the number to the side too. So now we are looking at our selection that's left. Which number is the smallest now? Okay, let's pop our friend up to watch the rest of our game. So now we have got 3 numbers left. We've got number 15, number 13 in number 21. Which one is the smallest number that we have left? And then there were 2. So we have got 15 and 21. Which number is the smallest? Well done. And that means our last number, which was the biggest of them all, is 21. We can now put the numbers that we have knocked down into order from the smallest to the largest. So we knocked down 3, then we knocked down 8, then 13, then 15, and last is 21. You can also play this game by starting with the biggest and practice knocking them out all the way down to the smallest. Try and knock it out.